Hey guys, Andrew Esquivel here, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between old and new. So, when I clean my dishes, I put them in my Bosch dishwasher. And of course, we need dishwashing detergent. The dishwashing detergent that I have been using for the past few months has been the Finish Quantum Max. But recently there was a change in the Finish lineup in terms of their top tier cleaning detergent. And now we have Finish Quantum. And I'm making this video because I want to clear up some confusion, because when I asked around about it on the internet and on Amazon, no one could really give me a solid answer, but I'm here to give you that solid answer here today. So, when you hear Finish Quantum and then Quantum Max, you instantly think the Quantum Max should be the one that is the better one, right? Because it's got Max in the name. Well, you would be wrong. Here's the thing. They have changed up their naming scheme. So let's talk about that. We have to turn these over to the back in order to kind of explain things. So if we look at Quantum Max, which is what they've been using for a while now, you see it's got 14 different things that it specializes in. Great. And it does a really good job. I love this stuff. It does a good job of cleaning everything up. But let's go over to Quantum. Oh, it does 17 things. And those 17 things still kind of correlate to what this did before, only now it does 3 extra things. So what gives? Well, basically everything kind of moves down a tier. So if we look at the naming scheme that they have going on, we got Quantum, Max in 1, and Deep Clean. Well, the Max in 1 now is the 14 different things they can do. So really, if you were to compare these now, Quantum is now the Max in 1, or Quantum Max is now the Max in 1, and Quantum is the new top tier, highest quality detergent that they have. So, this goes down in terms of, was it the best at one point? Yes, but now it's the second best with a different name. While this has taken the crown and become the best product that Finish makes, basically dethroning all of its previous products. So, if we look at the pods, we can see there is a difference. This is clearly a rectangular design with everything kind of packed into one thing here, and Quantum over here is not so rectangular, and the 3 different detergents have been fully separated from each other in the little plastic housing. Now, I have not yet used the Quantum detergent because I still have a few pods left of Quantum Max that I want to use and make sure get used up before I start using this stuff. Now, really quick, now that we've gone over the synopsis of the name change here and explaining why the name change is there and kind of explaining, where they stand now that names have changed, let's talk about the quality of these products. This stuff has been absolutely fantastic with cleaning my dishes in my Bosch dishwasher. Everything gets nice and sanitized. My glassware comes out looking nice and shiny. My pots and pans always come out completely clean no matter how much gunk I get all over it from cooking. So I can only imagine that the Quantum, which is the new stuff, should do the same, if not better. Time will tell. This stuff on Amazon or at Walmart is not expensive. It's much better than those liquid detergents that you put in. It's easy to use. Just keep it out of the way of children, Kids, they're going to look at that and they might think it's candy or something. So please be aware of that. Just throwing that out there. But away from that, this stuff has been awesome. So curious to try this and see how it goes. But the naming thing, just know Quantum is the new top tier. Quantum Max, last generation. Quantum Max is essentially equivalent to the modern Max in 1 at this point. So, hope that clears up some confusion for you. And thanks for watching.